Spinosad class. Spinosad is an insecticide classified under the spinosans class. Mode of action. It targets the nervous system of insects, inducing paralysis and subsequent mortality. Common formulation. Spinosad is typically available as a suspension concentrate or granule. Best uses. Spinosad demonstrates remarkable efficacy against a broad spectrum of insect pests, including caterpillars, thrips, leaf miners, fruit flies, and spider mites across various crops such as vegetables, fruits, ornamentals, and turfgrass. Spinosad finds extensive application for controlling resistant helicoverpa in cotton and red gram. It provides potent control against aphids, jacids, shoot and fruit borers, girdle beetles, semiloopers, American bollworms, diamondback moths, and pod borers, offering a unique mode of action distinct from other insect control products. Notably, it effectively manages caterpillars within 2 days of application while being safe for beneficial insects. Spinosad exerts its effects through contact and ingestion, displaying a broad-spectrum action against lepidopteran and dipteran insects, making it an effective thripicide. It boasts a favorable toxicological profile and prolonged residual action. To maximize effectiveness, thorough coverage of affected plants or areas with insect pests is crucial. Spinosad can be applied via foliar sprays, soil drenches, or granular applications, depending on the targeted pests and crops. Adhering to label instructions regarding dosage, application timing, and safety precautions is essential for achieving optimal pest control while minimizing environmental impact. Subscribe to our Pesticides Info YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook. Thank you for watching,